am Vivian B. Barrios, and today I am going to discuss about educational technology, its related terms, its domain, and the role of ICT in teaching and learning. I hope you listen well. Let us first define what is technology. So based on the definition in our slide, technology is not only about machines and products, it is also about the know-how of using the products and how it applies to society. It is not just a mere product of something, processes, and techniques, but rather a skillful and artful way of doing and producing something. For example, and inventions which are very efficient to the society. Educational technology is the study and ethical practice of technology to facilitate the teaching and learning process. Technology is not education by itself, but as an aid or a tool and a strategy to deliver the content. For example, we use laptop and projector to deliver the lessons. And the primary purpose of educational technology is to improve education. Educational technology related terms. First, information systems or IS. It is the study of the complementary networks of hardware and software that people and organizations use to collect, filter, process, and create and distribute data. So information system is the data itself collected by people to be informed. Information technology is the study, design, implementation, support, or management of computer-based information systems or digitized information or data. It is the technological knowledge to the computer-based information systems. Information and communication technology. The scientific, technological, and engineering discipline and management technique used in handling information, its application, and association with social, economic, and cultural matters, or UNESCO, the totality of electronic means to collect, store, process, and present information to end users in support of their activities, or CICT. It is to perform the specific function of technology to supply the needs of the users. Instructional technology. The theory and practice of design, development, utilization, management, and evaluation of processes and resources for learning, or AECT. The branch of education is concerned with the scientific study of instructional design and development by Kirk 2017. Let's discuss the domains of educational technology. Educational technology involves both the theory and the practice. The theory consists of the concepts, constructs, principles, and propositions that contribute to the body of knowledge, while practice is the application of that knowledge to solve problems. The first domain is design. It is the process of specifying conditions for learning or establishing the framework in planning educational technology. The purpose of design is to create strategies and products at the macro level such as programs and curricula, and at the micro level such as lessons and modules. Development is the process of translating the design specifications into physical form. It includes hardware, software, visual and auditory materials, as well as the programs or packages which integrate the various parts. So for example, the output, like printed materials, speakers, and many more. It is the output of the design which is the first domain of education technology. Utilization domain. The act of using processes and resources for learning. This domain emphasizes that the primary goal of educational technology is to bring about change, technology with a purpose. It is also considered the oldest of the domains because regular use of AV materials predates even concern for the production of instructional media. This domain involves the use, replication, and documentation, matching learners with specific materials and activities, preparing learners for interacting with selected materials and activities, providing guidance during the interaction, providing for the assessment of the results, and incorporating this usage into the continuing procedures of the organization. Management domain. It involves the activities of setting the strategies and coordinating the efforts, designing, developing, utilizing, and evaluating educational technology to accomplish its objectives through the application of available resources, such as financial, natural, technological, as well as human resources. The primary goal of management is to achieve the objectives with the help of planned strategies through the application of available resources. Evaluation domain is the process of determining the merit, worth, or value of an instructional program, project, or product to make a judgment. The focus is on the instructional program, project, or product material, not on the learners. In evaluation domain, it is not concerned about the learners, but how successful the educational technology to serve its purpose and function. Technological competence is defined as the ability to use technology properly and carefully with ease and confidence, which leads to the satisfaction of the user and which produces maximum output. So it is important too to develop the teacher's competence on the technology to maximize the extent of use of educational technology. Technological competence aims to produce a positive use of technology. It is a challenge to the teacher to master the content and pedagogy first in order to maximize the use of educational technology. The role of ICT in teaching and learning. First role, technology as tool to support knowledge construction. It means that it is associated in surfing information in the internet to verify the concept and collect information. The second role is technology as information vehicles for exploring knowledge to support learning by constructing. So it serves as source of information in constructing ideas and proposals through the information vehicles. The third role is technology as a context to support learning by doing. The tool where gathered information, design, and instructional programs could be applied to support learning by doing. The fourth role is technology as a social medium to support learning by conversing. The technology should be a medium to verify, examine, explore, and clarify the data given. The fifth role is technology as an intellectual partner to support learning by reflecting. The technology should help develop learner the critical thinking state of mind in order to support learning by reflecting. The last role of ICT in teaching and learning is technology as an avenue to support prepare the current generation of students for a workplace. The technology should help assist the students or the learner to be globally competitive and train themselves to be skillful for their future professions. Graphic Organizer of Educational Technology. Educational technology and its related terms. The Information System or IS, Information Technology, Information and Communication Technology, and Instructional Technology. The subtopics of educational technology, technological competence, the role of ICT in teaching and learning, and domains of educational technology with its 6 domains: design, develop, utilization, management, and evaluation. Hi, thanks for watching, and I hope that you had enjoyed and learned from this video. God bless and keep safe, everyone.